The Digital Marketing Institute is the global certification body for the digital marketing industry. As the world's leading authority on digital marketing education, we work with some of the most prestigious universities to accredit their third-level programs. We keep our content cutting edge and relevant through working with representatives from organizations like Google, Facebook, and Twitter, who provide us with industry insights and knowledge. This means your students learn practical and relevant skills to be successful digital marketing professionals, keeping them ahead of the game. As part of our accreditation offering, all staff and students get full access to our Power membership platform, which hosts an array of case studies, articles, webinars, toolkits, and much more from the world's leading brands, including Netflix, Coca-Cola, and Amazon. Boost enrollments by offering a dual certification that is globally recognized by the world's leading employers like IBM and Vodafone. Our alumni have learned the real employable skills needed to be a digital marketing professional, and our surveys report that 94% of our graduates are employed, 81% were promoted, and 53% saw increases in their salary. DMI accreditation can help your institution stand out and be the most relevant, boost student enrollment, increase staff and student satisfaction, and lead in student employability. To find out how we can accredit your existing marketing program, get in touch today.